2025 PINLONG precision moves forward with determination, crossing boundaries and conquering challenges. This year was destined to be extraordinary. What is our keyword for 2025? It is conquest. We conquered performance challenges. We achieved our annual performance targets. Through solid execution, we forged a milestone of results. We conquered technological barriers. We iteratively upgraded our product technology system. Our staggered equipment achieved independent iteration. Innovation enabled us to break boundaries. We conquered extreme challenges. Relocating while maintaining production, we rose to the challenge head-on, fighting on two fronts: relocation and exhibitions. Both battles were won decisively. We conquered new heights. We obtained certification as a high-end corrugated carton intelligent equipment digital demonstration workshop. We were recognized as the Fashion Carton Machinery Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center. We passed the Intellectual Property Compliance Management System certification. Technology empowers us, honors follow. We conquered the boundaries of productivity. We introduced industrial handheld terminals. We built a fully integrated intelligent production workshop across the entire value chain. We conquered the dual limits of body and mind. Company-wide health checkups safeguarded our team. In 2025, parent-child activities conveyed the warmth of our enterprise. We also conquered a 50-kilometer hike. We measured perseverance with our steps. We united the team through sweat. In 2025, we pushed beyond limits and conquered challenges with determination. Every achievement is a shared medal of honor for every PINLONG team member. 2026. Stay rooted in fundamentals and win the future together.